Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here on in this video. Okay, and of course, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets that we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course, I'm using the trend milker indicator, custom made indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this had been on uptrend right from this support zone. Okay, if you remember, it has been on uptrend. It got to this region, came back down, but stopped at this support trend line, went back up again, did the same thing here again, and of course went back up, and of course it didn't get there this time around but went back up. So this time around it's coming down again, so it's possible for it to get to this support trend line, and if it does not break out from there, it will go back up again. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is still selling at the moment, just the way we have seen it, guys. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This has been on downtrend right from here. Got to this support zone and tried to pull back at this point, but it is still selling. If it should break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. So we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be PainX 1200. This is PainX 1200. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, but it got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out from there. So right now it has given us a downtrend signal and it is selling right now. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, and of course, these have played around there for a while, and it has started a downtrend. So we want to believe that this is going to sell more. Okay, I have some highlighted TPs for us right here. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity also than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This actually started a downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but didn't go too far before going back down. If it should break out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend and it's going to buy for a very long time. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from that support zone. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.